Somewhere in this video, I share an awesome and 100% free, easy to use traffic strategy that anyone can use and get traffic. And this traffic can be sent to anywhere you want. You can send it to your blog to build your blog followers and readers. You can send this traffic to your social profile to build a social following. You can send this traffic to your affiliate links to be able to generate affiliate commissions. Or you can send this traffic to your opt-in page to build a list. Or you can send this traffic to the links of your clients. But this traffic is going to be 100% free. It doesn't need technical knowledge. It doesn't need huge knowledge on any niche, but this traffic can be used on any niche. This is not SEO traffic, and this is not social traffic. To give you a hint, this traffic is basically leveraging someone else's traffic success. But the good news is that someone wants you to use their traffic and leverage their success. If this is something you are interested in, please stay tuned till the end of the video because I have shared the whole thing in very simple step-by-step process somewhere in this video. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mosh Barry and I'm a 7-figure digital product company owner. My company creates and markets digital products. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe using the subscribe button below this video and remember to switch the notification on. So every time I publish a new content or a new video, you get a notification. Every time I publish any content, any video, or I send an email to my email list, I give away awesome gifts, bonuses, tips, and tricks. Those free gifts, tricks, and tips alone are enough for a beginner to be able to generate income from using the power of internet. And even if you are already experienced, you can get a lot of helps from those gifts, tips, and tricks. Now that the traffic is coming as a free gift in this video, I highly recommend you have your own website. It can be a blog, it can be an opt-in page, it can be an affiliate product review website, but you should have your own website. Your website visitors don't care about you or your website. They care about the help, entertainment, and information they are getting from your content. Now, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money online. And one of the best ways to do affiliate marketing is creating product review contents. While I'm talking about product review contents, a lot of people use videos, unboxing videos, product review videos, and they publish those videos on YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, and many other video sharing websites. The good news is you don't really need videos for making affiliate commissions. Well, videos are awesome, but you don't need them. That's a good news. But it's highly recommended you create product reviews, be it text and image based, but you need to use product reviews to get best results in affiliate marketing and start making affiliate commissions fast. Now, while talking about publishing product review contents, you must have two things. You must have your own website. It's highly recommended. And number two, you need some elements. I'll give you a few examples, like product rating, like product testimonials from real users, like the users of the products, like the features and the benefits of the products. These all things to be discussed in your product review. Unfortunately, putting all these elements together in your own website is not an easy task. It's a time-consuming task. Don't worry, I'm gonna solve this problem, but if you can do that, if you can publish product review contents in your website and put all the important elements together, then not only you will get returning visitors who will look for more and more quality contents on your website every single day, but also they will share your content with their contacts. So from those referrals and shares, you will get more and more traffic. And when there is more traffic, you can expect more leads and more sales and more affiliate commissions. But hey, let's solve that problem. You don't really need your own website. That's the good news. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a software platform. It's cloud-based, and when you have an account, you can create your product review pages in there, in that dashboard. And all your product reviews will be hosted in their platform. So you don't need to pay for hosting server, you don't need to pay for your own domain. And another very, very good news is they have all those important professional elements required for a professional high quality product reviews inside the product dashboard, the software dashboard. So just in a moment, I'm going to review that software, and you will find all the links just below this video in the description area. And I will also share my bonus offerings in case you want to purchase from using my link. And yes, when I offer bonus, I make sure my customers can make at least 10 times more money, 10 times faster, and 10 times easier than other customers of the product just by using my bonuses together with the product. I'm going to show you my bonuses as well. So now we are in CB Profit Sites dashboard. Click on this orange button and you will be able to see your affiliate sites. And currently this is just a generic site. You have to update your profile. Click on the My Profile section where you can change your first name, last name, and your own avatar, which means you can put your own image or just an avatar image. It can be any graphic kind of logo. Your password, change your password, then your site personal information. So let's add super affiliate and a copy paste brief description about you and your bonus redemption email in case you want to show your customers where they can claim their emails, and your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest profiles, and then update profile. When you do that, you go and visit the sites, and you see on the right hand side a professional about me section, which is really professional. Now go to settings area, and here you can change the name of the site. Now currently it's a generic name. You can put your own name, put your brand name, your company name, and again the about section. This is about the site. The site favicon, logo, everything is changeable, so you can put your own brand and then change your fonts in the theme. And when you save changes, you see your site logo is changed, look is changed, it's more personalized and more brand oriented. Your affiliate info, very important, you have to update it in order to make affiliate commissions. So here you have to put your affiliate links. For that, go and search those offers on ClickBank, and then copy and paste your affiliate link, then click this update affiliate link button, hit OK, and it's ready. Then site ads. These ads are important in order to generate revenue from advertisements. You can add Google AdSense script or your own banner ad, and your banner ad link, this will be your affiliate link, and this one is Google ad or banner ad. So it is side banner ad. Yes. Now if you save changes, you see the differences in the banners. Super cool, right? Whoever clicks on this banner, they will visit your affiliate offer. Now create call to action. Call to action means button, or hey, this is my recommendation, go get it, something like that. So this is there is a title, content, button URL. You can change all of it. Currently I'm editing the content now. Just button text, click here, and the button URL is your affiliate link. Submit and done. Save changes, it's ready. Now when you refresh this page, you see these contain your own affiliate link. Look, this is the banner, this is our ad, all containing your affiliate links. So hey, the whole site is ready ready for you. You just have to put your personal information in order to create this professional, product review and bonuses, even bonuses. So there are readers also like this is a recommendation from where you can get a lot more sales. Now they didn't even forget the bonus page. You see, this bonus page is ready for your customers. You don't have to do anything at all. Now let's talk about the gift traffic strategy I promised at the beginning of this video. You must have already known about a popular website called Quora. It's Quora.com. Quora is a popular website for questions and answers. A lot of people go there for asking questions, and a lot of people go there and reply to those questions. And a lot of people just visit there to get answers to their questions. And a lot of people visit the website just out of curiosity for information and entertainment. Quora gets over 500 million monthly visitors. Most of those visitors come from search engines, 100% free. Because search engines love Quora because people love Quora. So you understand there are lots of traffic, passionate, niche traffic who are looking for answers to their questions on Quora. If you can put your content and your link in Quora, you will get a lot of traffic. If you visit Quora and you see question and you see answers, the answers that got up votes, down votes, or views, remember those are visitors. And people loved those replies. That's why they gave upvote. And if they didn't like the content or the reply, they gave downvote. And Quora lets you put your link in your reply after certain period. So if you keep answering questions, then after certain period, you reach a level where Quora lets you put your link in your replies. And when people view your replies and they see awesome content and they know you as a knowledgeable person in that niche, they will click on your links, they will take your recommendations, they will join your list, they will visit your blog, follow your social media, and they will even buy from you. So how to achieve that? It's very, very easy. First of all, you want to know your niche, whether your niche is a hot niche on Quora or not, whether there are lots of people visiting on your niche on Quora or not. Or you can take another route. You can look for popular posts on Quora and publish answers. And then when you reach a certain level and you are able to publish your link on your replies, then start publishing your links, your blog links in Quora. This way you start getting traffic. But how do you start? How do you know which posts are popular? Which questions are popular? For that, you can use a free software. It's called Ubersuggest. Now, currently, Ubersuggest has been acquired by an authority figure called Neil Patel. And Neil Patel put this Uber in his website, neilpatel.com. So if you visit neilpatel.com, neilpatel.com, in the first page, you will see a search box that is the Ubersuggest search box. You should use Quora.com for search, and you will see the top or most popular posts, questions, pages, and how much views they have got, they are getting per month. And if you have a paid subscription, which is I think 20 dirham per month or $20 per month, I forgot. In case you have a paid subscription to Ubersuggest, then you will get a lot of data. Again, if you have a subscription to buzzsumo.com, then also you can find the most shared posts from Quora.com in the social media. From there also you can choose which questions you want to reply. Now these questions and replies don't need to be super technical. They can be curated from other sources in the internet. So when you see a question, go out and look for answers in Google or on YouTube or even on Facebook. Then create your own content from those contents. Make a nice reply to a question and start replying those questions. If you do that on a regular basis, you will not take maximum 15 to 20 minutes of your time for 3 to 4 to 5 replies. And those replies stay in Quora and gives you traffic for a long time. After a month of repeating the process, you will get a lot of traffic. I meant you will get a lot of views. But when you reach to a certain level where you can publish your links in Quora, then you will start getting a lot of traffic to your links. That is it. This traffic strategy doesn't need super technical knowledge, and it doesn't take a lot of time. And this is something that anyone can do. Again, if you loved this video, please subscribe to my channel using the red button below and switch the notification on, so every time I upload a new video or I go live, you get a notification from YouTube. And yes, please use the link in the description below. That will be an opt-in page where you have to sign up to my email list. Why would you do that? Because every time I send an email to my subscribers, I send out awesome gifts, tips, tricks, bonuses. All will be yours if you sign up to my mailing list. Every other link is below in the description. Please go ahead, click those links for references. Thank you very much. Mosh Barry signing off. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.